Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in Food and Nutrition, we are going to be looking at Introduction to Food and Nutrition. Okay? Today in Food and Nutrition, our topic is Introduction to Food and Nutrition. Do you understand? Are you ready for the lesson? Okay, good. So first we're going to be looking at the definition of food and nutrition. Food and nutrition involves understanding the fundamental concepts related to the intake of food and its impact on health. Okay? Food refers to the substances consumed for nourishment and energy, and nutrition involves the study of how the body utilizes nutrients from food for growth, development, and overall well-being. Okay? Do we understand? Food refers to any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. Nutrition, on the other hand, is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in food with the body. Okay? Do we understand that? Food is what we eat and drink to stay healthy and full of energy. And nutrition is all about how our body uses the good stuff in food to stay strong and well. Okay? Do we understand? Okay, that's good. So we're going to be looking at the importance of food and nutrition. Why is food and nutrition important? Food and nutrition are like the fuel and maintenance for our body, okay? So food and nutrition is important because it provides nutrient supply. Food provides essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which are necessary for the proper functioning of the body. Energy source. Carbohydrates and fats in food serve as energy sources, enabling body functions and activities. Growth and development. Adequate nutrition is crucial for growth in children and adolescents, as well as for maintaining tissues and organs throughout life. Disease prevention. Proper nutrition helps prevent various health issues, including deficiencies, obesity, and chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Immune system support. Certain nutrients play a key role in supporting the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Okay? Mental health. Nutrition can influence mental well being, affecting mood and cognitive function. Do we understand why food and nutrition is important? Proper nutrition is crucial for growth, energy, and overall well being. It supports the body's functions, helps prevent diseases, ensures optimal development. Okay? Food and nutrition are the maintenance for our body. They keep us growing, give us energy, and help prevent sicknesses. Do we understand? So eating healthy food helps us grow, stay strong, and have lots of energy. So nutrition is like the superhero guide that makes sure we eat the right things to be healthy and happy. Okay, good. So we're going to be looking at factors affecting human nutrition. Factors affecting human nutrition are the things that influence how we eat and stay healthy. Okay, dietary choices. The type and amounts of food consumed significantly impact nutrition. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is crucial for health. What you eat, the food you choose impacts your health. Eating a variety of nutritious foods is essential. Do we get that? Cultural practices. Cultural beliefs, traditions, and customs influence food choices and eating patterns within different communities. Family traditions and cultural practices influence the foods we eat. Okay? Cultural matters. Cultural practices influence the food people eat. Economic status. Socio-economic factors such as income and access to resources can affect the affordability and availability of nutritious foods. Okay, how much money you have can affect the types of food you can afford and access. Okay, do you understand? Geographical location. Availability of certain foods influenced by geography, affecting the range of dietary options in different regions. Location. Different places offer different food options based on geography. Education. Knowledge about nutrition and its importance play a role. Educated individuals may make more informed dietary choices. So understanding nutrition is like having a guide to make better food choices. Okay? Health conditions. Pre-existing health conditions or diseases can impact nutrient absorption, metabolism, and overall nutritional needs. If you have health issues, your nutritional needs may be different. Okay? Lifestyle choices. Habits like physical activity, smoking, and alcohol consumption can influence nutritional requirements and health outcomes. So lifestyle choices play a role. Things like exercise and habits like smoking can affect what your body needs. Okay, so these factors shape how we eat and impact our overall health. Do we understand? These factors we just mentioned are the things that influence how we eat and stay healthy. Okay, do we get that? It has to do with what we choose to eat, our family and cultural habits, how much money we have, where we live, and what we know about nutrition, our health, and the way we live our daily lives. Okay? Do we get that? Good. So today's lesson on introduction to food and nutrition, we understood everything, right? We said food and nutrition is about what we eat and how it keeps us healthy. It's like a guide to making good food choices, right? We said food is what we eat, and nutrition is how our body uses the good stuff in food to keep us strong and well. We also looked at the importance of food and nutrition, right? Eating healthy food is crucial for growth, energy, and preventing sickness. It's like the superhero guide to a strong and healthy life, right? We looked at the factors affecting human nutrition. There are things like what we choose to eat, cultural habits, money, where we live, what we know about nutrition, our health, and our lifestyle all affect how we stay healthy through what we eat, right? Good. So we understood today's lesson on introduction to food and nutrition. Okay, so next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure you're going to be able to do the assignment, right? It's easy, right? Okay, good.